Hello, Pre-Algebra. This is quarter 3, week 5, beginning on February 1st. So this week we are benchmark testing. The on-campus learners are testing on Monday and Tuesday. If you're an e-learner, Friday is scheduled for your ELA and math benchmark. So pay attention to the week because in the files, Monday and Tuesday are benchmark testing. However, it's noted that it's only for on-campus learners and e-learners for Friday. So if you're an e-learner, you can complete Friday's lesson on Monday or Tuesday. And then you can continue on Wednesday with the review, the test on Thursday. Friday will be your benchmark test. So again, e-learners, make sure that you understand while you can complete Friday's lesson on Friday, if you're coming on campus to take the benchmark test, you may want to complete Friday's lesson on Monday or Tuesday when the on-campus learners are completing their test. Have a great week and let me know if you have any questions about the schedule.